2007 Mitsubishi Eclipse. Today we're going to be changing the interior door handle, just the door handle right here. That one I just changed, that's what it looks like. First things first, you're going to need Phillips head, flathead, a 10mm socket, and you're going to need a T20, like this one. All right, and you're going to need a new replacement door handle. This is from Amazon. I bought them as a pair for like less than 20 bucks. So go ahead, and this is the door handle. We're doing the driver's side. So you have a plastic cover right here that you pop off. All you got to do is pop it off with a flathead screwdriver. Obviously this one's missing. Then you're gonna have a Phillips head screw right here. Take this out. Then you're gonna have another screw right here, another Phillips head. Take this out too. Then you're gonna have one more right here. It's obviously missing. Then you have a Phillips head right here on this side. So go ahead and take those out. And then we're gonna remove these two 10mm bolts. If your door handle is not completely missing like this one, it's gonna look like this. And then you're gonna have a cover. What you do is you just pry it off from the side, and you're gonna wanna remove the plastic cover. Since you don't care about breaking it, that's why we're replacing it. Just break it off so you can access those two 10mm bolts. So go ahead and take the two 10mm bolts off. Once you take those screws and Phillips head and two 10mm bolts off, you're gonna want to go over here, and we're gonna see this little plastic or this notch right here. You can stick your flathead screwdriver in there and just kind of pry it off like that, and then you're just gonna yank it just like that. So you're just gonna pull it from underneath. So you're just gonna yank it from the bottom like that. Then we're gonna push up. Then we're gonna slide it out. You can go ahead and try to remove that plastic cover right here. Then you should have the whole door panel come out. Now I'm gonna turn this around so you guys can see what it looks like. Go ahead and unplug this first. It's got a tab right there that you press and then you pull out the connector. Now over here in the back, so you're gonna have two T20 screws, one over here and one right there. This one's already missing, but I have it with me. You just push that out. You go ahead and take this T20 screw off. So once you take those two T20 screws off, go ahead and take the new door handle. This side first, not the cover. That's the cover right there. We're gonna install that last. See this little tab right here? So this one, the longer one, goes at the bottom, and it sits inside that little hole, just like that. Then we're gonna go ahead and install the T20 screw that we took off. Alright, so you have one and two T20. Those are installed. So now we can go ahead and hook the connector back up. Make sure that this side right here sits inside on that. right. Then you have those plastic tabs right there. Make sure they're aligned in the hole. Once you have them aligned, you just kind of give it a few taps like that. All right, the tabs are inside. All right, then we can go ahead and put the two 10mm bolts back on. All right, so two 10mm bolts are installed. Then we're gonna take this piece and we're gonna lift up the door handle and slide that in place. Then you can go ahead and put the Phillips head screw back on. Like I said, this one should have a plastic tab cover right here, but it's missing, so don't forget to put that. Also, my lock is broken. Then put this Phillips head screw back on in here, one over here and then one over here. And then the only thing left for you to do is put this cover back on. This one just clips in there. Just like that. Now we have the door handle fixed. And that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Also click on the subscribe button. Guys, help me reach 10K subs. I'm almost there. And again, thank you guys for watching.